Don't duff him up on the way through though. Well, you can, just don't go down in the process. Nicely done, sweet move around the outside, but DeWolf. Oh, it's Coenen down again! The same part of the racetrack, DeWolf. Talk about handing a victory on the plate. DeWolf won't care about that. He's going to come home and win race 2. Is making light work and easily doubling the out. He's got Langenfelder right there, and is he going to move in a second? Yes. And there is a gift for Langenfelder, and there is a gift for DeWolf. DeWolf goes and wins in Sardinia, flexing his muscles once again. DeWolf. DeWolf is down! DeWolf gets dragged down, he's at the bottom of the pile, and Rossi in there as well.
Coppia che lo precede, vale a dire. 74.
DeWolf has finally found his way past Sasha Coenen. Stan drifts too wide, DeWolf has it. Adamo is right there, that'll probably kill some of the speed anyway. Adamo hits the line, he takes the win, his second of the season. And Sasha Coenen right there, ready to pounce. And the Wolfman, Team Wolf, goes from first to third. Game on here. Oh, both riders go down. And he's offline. Lucas Coenen lets him have it for now, but another mistake for Sasha Coenen. Looking for a way through. Lunges down the inside, tags him and goes down. He almost goes down as well. And Lucas Coenen takes his third race win of the season. He wins race 1 here. DeWolf goes down from the lead. Oh, too deep. Heavy landing there again. This would have seen it, and he goes down as well. But I think it's all over in this next corner as DeWolf gets on the back wheel, holds a nice inside line, and just like that, we got a new leader on lap 5. And DeWolf out of the lead, he had 6 seconds, and dancing around high and wide around the outside. He should never have made that pass there. Might have been, oh, DeWolf with the foxhole shot. Hara looking to go around the outside as they hit the line, gives him space to manoeuvre as well. And Hara does go through. Less than a second between the top 2 though. Here they are. Outside, inside, dives down the inside. He does find his way. Lucas Coenen has broke the resolve of his teammate. He goes 1-1. He wins the MXGP of Turkey. 2 rounds to go. The gap down to 44 points. It's still very much game on. It's DeWolf who comes out firing on all cylinders. He comes out with a foxhole shot. Coenen dives decisively down the inside. DeWolf lets him have it, takes a look back as well, gets up on the pegs and says, you know what? I'm doing exactly what I need to do now. DeWolf is the 2024 MX2 World Champion. The best present he could have ever asked for. Your top 3 in 2024. DeWolf, Lucas Coenen, and Simon Langenfelder. everybody, and welcome to Spain. First turn. His second is to the inside. Nice tactic. Shortest route through. And Jorge Prado wins race 1 in Spain. As Herlings, decisive on the opening lap, closes down. Gajser at the top of the hill. Herlings leads. Look, again, Herlings tries to close him off. Gajser goes through on lap 3, coming alive, and Prado is down. Paul Jonas wins the Portuguese Grand Prix. It's his first victory in MXGP as well. Pulling up, is out of the race. Right, Flanders going to work on Gajser. Right, Jonas. Herlings finally finds his way past the standing contract right. Gajser knows it, and then bar to bar. Oh, and he tips over. Herlings now up in the second. Oh, we got riders down! Domino effect, wow! Haven't seen anything like that. His GP is over. Tips over. Could have landed awkwardly on that shoulder. Herlings was right there though. MXGP podium then. Jeffrey Herlings hits the Monster Energy finish line, wins race 1, win number 198 in the books for the Bullet. The circuit could be the deciding factor in all of this though. No one saw that coming, not even Gajser. That might have been Herlings. Goes down in turn 2. And it's Prado who leads. We're going to go around the Italian. Oh, and he's down again! Nips up the inside of Coldenhoff. Around the outside of the Swiss and into 8th place. Does under Siwa. Almost took the front. He's going to pick him off for 4th place. It's a mistake. Gajser tries to do. Tim Gajser wins race 2. He wins in Lockett for the first time. And the Swedes, Anton Gold and Isaac Giftings. Siwa Febra that was there first, but it's Gifting! Gifting leads and home! Look at the support from the fans. A little bit out of line there. And in the end, Gajser just doing their thing. Doesn't want to get involved in that battle. Here comes Prado, hard on the brakes. He does the double here in Sweden. He closes the gap at the top of the championship to Tim Gajser. Herlings doubles his way neatly into turn 5. Goes bar to bar. Gajser. Well, how did they not touch? How did they not touch? And Herlings goes around the outside. He takes second. He's got Prado in his sights. Can he go to the outside? He thinks about it. It might be 9 points, but you'd rather be leading than trailing at this stage of the championship. National anthem for Jeffrey Herlings and the Netherlands. Oh, freight train, absolutely dynamic. Gajser down the inside. And he goes outside and he takes the line away. riders heading into the final 2 races of the campaign. But Jorge Prado, the Red Bull Gas factory rider, wins his 4th world title. He wins in Spain. The place erupts. Jorge Prado, your 2024 MXGP World Champion.